Audio Jungle.
Crypto Victoria. Guys, I hope you are doing very well. So, I again come with a very interesting and amazing platform on my channel. So, before starting their video, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. Guys, because you know I always come with an amazing platforms on my channel. So today I am talking about one and only awesome platform like King of Snakes on my channel. So here you to welcome King of Snakes on my channel, guys. And this is once again on the Solana blockchain, guys. And this is basically Solana meme coin, guys. And here is I am talking to with you each and everything about this awesome platform. So you have to don't skip any part of the video. And guys, you have to must join this interesting and awesome platform, and you can see on my screen. So before starting their further review, I want to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys, and I'm not responsible for your any profits and loss. So let's start the review now. King of Snakes here. So King of Snakes is here to regent supreme, bringing means to his glorious kingdom. You join the rhyme of laughter as his legendary rule unfolds, where fun and crypto collide in very epic fashion. So here we have to collaborate with both of these things, and guys, we will be listed on all of the famous exchanges within a few days, like Dex Screener, Dex Coin, Zigo Coin Market Cap, and K.io. So this is the basically latest sensation in meme coins. And firstly, I will now introduce to you about this latest sensation of meme coins. This is the hottest meme coin on Solana blockchain, where crypto meets humans, offering fast transaction and with a very low fees. This is a very interesting things and different thing from other projects, guys. So you have to join for the fun, and you have to be a part of this next big thing, guys. So you have to buy on this pump fund. So now I want to show you their very thrilling profiles of King of Snakes. Here you have to just open your eyes and see this thrilling and very interesting profile of snakes on my screen, which is looking very beautiful, guys. And guys, this is our Technomics. Our contract address will be available soon. So there is LP burn and tax is zero. How you have to buy? You have to simply download your wallet, create your wallet like Phantom wallet, and then you have to buy Solana, and then you have to send it on your wallet, and you can connect this on Rhythm or Jupiter. So in this easy way, you can buy this awesome and amazing platform, and you can join this. So guys, you have to must join our communities, like this is our Telegram community, and here you can see this is King of Snacks and meme coin and this taking over the crypto to the galaxy. And guys, you have to must join our, you have to follow this our official Twitter account, and here you can see our all of the upcoming updations news to our platform here. So you have to must join this, you have to must follow, you have to must like and comment, retweet please, and you have to join this. This is the community that we have to thrill to announce that we are making incredible progress towards the launch of our project, and our launch will be on Pump Chart Fund, and we will introduce our contract address soon, guys. And we are once again, I'm talking about that we are basically on Solana blockchain. So you have to must join this, and you have to invite your family and friends. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned with us for the latest updates.